Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to be talking about an AI tool that you need for your presentation. Decktopus AI emerges as a transformative tool in the realm of presentation creation, leveraging artificial intelligence to redefine how professionals craft their slides. Today, I will covering the following. First, what is Decktopus AI? Second, what are the key features of Desktopus AI? Third, who can use Decktopus AI? Fourth, what are the plans and pricing? Fifth, what makes Decktopus AI unique? Sixth, the compatibilities and integrations in Desktopus AI. So, make sure you watch this video to the end as we will be sharing some amazing tips that will interest you. Welcome to Ray Content Lab, your go-to source for tips, reviews and insights on the best online and AI tools to help you grow and streamline your online business. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe for more valuable content that will elevate your workflow and success. I'm sure you are excited about this. Now, let's get started. So, what is Desktopus? Decktopus is an all-in-one AI slide generator that helps you create professional presentations, proposals, and microsites in no time. It allows you to embed forms, videos, and websites into your slides and convert them into bio links, sales funnels, and more. What are the key features of Desktopus? The key features include 1. AI-powered design. 2. Custom layouts. 3. Drag-and-drop editor. 4. AI presenter coach. 5. Dynamic Q&A sessions, and so on. Who can use Desktopus AI? Anyone from all fields can use Desktopus, ranging from sales professionals, marketing managers, business development representatives, founders and entrepreneurs, agencies, educational institutions, and many more. Next, what are the plans and pricing? Desktopus has two major plans, which are the Pro Annual Access and the Business Annual Access. The Pro Annual Access is $14.99 per month, while the Business Annual Access is $49.99 per month. Please note that pricing information may change. For the most accurate and current details, refer to the official Decktopus AI website. What makes Decktopus AI unique? Decktopus AI stands out with its seamless integration of AI into the presentation design process, offering a unique blend of time-saving automated design features and user-friendly customization options. Its AI presenter coach and dynamic Q&A sessions are particularly game-changing, enhancing the overall delivery and engagement of presentations. Finally, let's look at the compatibilities and integrations in Desktopus. When using Desktopus, users are very happy with the compatibility of tailored image generation, dynamic scripting, PDF conversion, and organization table. That's it for today on our tutorial about Desktopus. To get started with Desktopus, check the link in the description below. Thank you for watching. Kindly like and share this video. Also, subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification for more valuable content.